Hello. Whenever you hear the term revision, you have a lot many things in mind. I mean, you can have your own plans, you can have your own strategies because you are the best guide for your own preparation. But I would like to share a few insights so that you would keep them in mind when you're planning your revision. So first and foremost, it's important that you comprehensively cover revision of all subjects at least once. Twice or thrice depending upon your time availability and depending upon your pace. And second thing, practice as many multiple choice questions as possible. And when you are in this process of practicing multiple choice questions, do not consider them as a test. Rather, use those multiple choice questions as sources of information where you're obtaining new information, additional information, and that's how you can actually learn and then proceed with positivity. If you consider practicing MCQs as a form of test, it's going to be demotivating, especially before your exam time during this revision phase. So just revise and practice as many MCQs as possible. And third most important thing which I wanted to discuss is notes. You might think that notes or preparing notes now during revision phase is waste of time. No, it's going to help you. It's going to compound your preparation. So it's very simple. The topics which you are not aware of, the points which you have no idea, or you feel like you're coming across some new additional points, or you have some confusion in certain concepts. You can make note of all those things in the form of bullet points, in the form of flowcharts, diagrams, key points, etc. Maintaining notes definitely helps you at least in the next 2 or 3 months time, especially before the exam, where you will have your own customized notes, which definitely elevates your confidence levels and most importantly saves your time. It's not a waste of time. So keep these 3 things in mind, and along with that we are giving from our side a revision schedule, and we are launching revision batch 2020 in this process. So as you can see, revision batch starts from October, and then you have November and December. So we'll be giving you a schedule, right? So you'll have access to revision tests, as per the schedule, and each revision test will have a collection of few subjects. And then after revision tests are done in October and November, from mid-November we're planning grand tests. So this is the content which we are planning. So we'll be providing you 3 revision tests. All dental subjects will be divided into these revision tests, and then we have a schedule based on which the tests will be uploaded, and in that time frame you can prepare for these tests. And we will be giving you access to 10 grand tests all over, and along with that you'll be given access to 100 videos in our e-classes. And it's not that we just provide you this content. Along with that, there will be even active discussions in the form of our Telegram. We have a study club in Telegram, so every week we'll be having some discussions. So this is in brief regarding revision batch 2020, which we are planning from October. And for any further queries or for any further details including schedule, cost, etc., you can just drop a mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com. So as I started this video by saying a few things like insights which you need to keep in mind during your revision schedule, just keep those things in mind, and most importantly, believe in yourself, because this is a phase where you feel more anxious, where you feel more demotivated, because you know the exam date is approaching and you feel like there is a lot to cover, which really takes a lot of toll on your mental health. So don't let that happen. Be realistic, at the same time be confident, and most importantly believe in yourself. As I said, you are the best guide to your preparation. So you know your weak areas, you know where you need to improve, act accordingly, and focus on giving your best each and every day, each and every moment. So you have any further queries, you need any further guidance, you can get back through mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com. Wish you all the best. Love you all.